Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to bundle your Expo app into APK. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do here is you go to expo.dev, you create an Expo account, create an account here. Then the next thing you probably need to do, okay, after creating the account, you're going to log in that account to your app, your VS Code, Visual Studio Code terminal. So just log in your Expo and you're going to type EAS login, okay, EAS login, and okay, it's loading, still waiting. So I'm already logged in, then this will be our app here that we want to bundle. So it's going to say you are already logged in okay, it will mention it. Then I'm going to say yes, I want to log in. I'm going to put my email and password. I'll do that quickly and continue. So I've logged in my account, as you can see, my username and password. Now the next thing is we're going to start to bundle our file. Just simply run this command. If you are using Mac, you add sudo. If you are using Windows, you just start with EAS. So before now, I already installed EAS on my PC. If you don't have EAS installed on your PC, you could just run sudo npm install -g, that is globally, okay, then global EAS CLI. So you run this command, it's going to install EAS on your PC globally. So I already have that, so I'm just going to go to the next command for bundling our APK file. So EAS build -p Android space dash dash profile preview. So this command would bundle our app into APK and submit it to Expo. So it's going to do that. Already you've connected your Expo account here. So I'm going to run this command now and enter my password. So it's going to ask us some questions, create an extra file on our project for us. So let's just sit tight and look at it. So as you can see on our terminal, it has generated a es.json file. So look at the es.json file here and open it. Let's see what is inside. All right, so we have the CLI version 13.3.0 and development client through internal, a lot of things. Now, auto increment, production auto increment is talking about our app version. So when you want to upload this app to Play Store, the version code needs to be changing every single time. So usually before now, we do the changing of version by ourselves manually. So, but they came up with the idea to automatically increment it so that you don't do that every single time you want to bundle your application to Play Store or iOS. Okay, so we are having a question here. Would you like to automatically create an ES project for my username and the name of the app friendly? I'll just simply say yes or I'll press enter. So it's creating a project on Expo. Now it's going to link our project to ES projects, linking local projects to ES. Now when I refresh my app now, a project will be created. Let me refresh this website, the Expo website. Let's go back to our terminal while that is loading. Okay, so here is our project ID. This will be our project ID. Okay, they is still loading, and it's also loading here. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, as you can see, it has finished doing that. okay, doing other things. Now, here is our project on my screen. The project is now here. So it's also going to start seeing the build going on here, recent activities. There's no recent activity. So it's still loading the build, and let's still wait for it. Okay, so we have a question here, as you can see. What would you like your Android application ID to be? So com dot my username dot the app. So usually I can just decide to change this to com dot the name of the app, friendly and dot dev. Then I'll continue. This is what I want it to look like. Then on my, let me run it, and you notice something is going to change on app.js. On app.js, all right, look at our package. Our ID is now here, com.friendly.dev. Now it's going to generate a new key store, um, Android key store. This Android key store is asking to generate. Yes, I don't have anyone before, so it's going to generate a new key store. Okay, now the key store, it's what you also submit to Play Store, kind of like a unique key to your application. So if it changes in your application, you have to look for the initial one you submitted to Play Store, and everything will be stored on your Expo account. Okay, so waiting for build to be completed, you can press Ctrl C to exit. Now we have a link here showing us our build details. So when we come back to our website, the expo.dev website, now you can see that our recent activity is now showing the app while the app is building. Okay, the build. So hit it to, let's see the details. Now we can also press Ctrl C here, or we can just leave it. Okay, so waiting to start, sign up build environment. So that is just what's going on. See more. So this may take, you could just and see the ending of the build. Okay, so as you can see, our app has been completed. The build has been successful, has been completed. Now even the icon here has changed. Okay, then let's go back to our project, and then we have extra ES project ID. So this project ID is linked to this account. You can't bundle or build this app to another account. Then we have install and run the Android build on an emulator. So as I'm gonna say no. Okay, then you can download this build and send it to anybody, or you can install it on your Android phone and test the app. So that is how you make a build with ES. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.